Hi friends, this is our third primary auxiliary. First one we saw be, second is have, and now there is third one is do. Forms of do, they are do, does, did. And now they can be used as a main verb and also as an auxiliary. As a main verb we can see I do my work. I do my work. That means I perform. So that's the meaning. Perform. That's the first meaning. As a main verb. I do my work. He does his work. They do their work. We did their work. And we did our work. Yes, we performed our work. Understand? Or you can say, I do my duty. You do your duty. He does his duty. They do their duty, and they did their duty. That is past tense. And you know this is third person singular. Third person singular. So these things I have already explained in my tense classes. I hope that you will be classes on tense. Hope that you will be going through that, because there are about 60 lectures on English tenses. So why don't you try that? Free. It comes to you free of cost. Then I do my work. So means perform. Listen. Here he has done his work well. Yes. Past participle is done. Doing, that is other done. Doing is present participle and done is past participle. Done. I think that is clear. Yes. So I have been doing my duty. I have been performing my duty. He is doing his duty. He is performing his duty. That is. So, as a main verb, do, the meaning of do is perform. The next one is, you can say, do as I say. Do as I say means act as I say. Almost the same meaning, but slightly different. Act. Act as I say. Listen, do as I say, act as I say. He did well, he acted well. He did well, he acted well. We can also say he performed well, but with a slight difference. He acted well. Listen. Or you can say, you have to do according to the directions given to you by the director of a film. Means you have to act. You have to act according to it. This is. As a main verb, there's got two meanings. One is perform, the other is act. Alright. See? Now, as an auxiliary, that means on a helping verb, auxiliary as a helping verb. First is for asking questions. First, ask questions. This is simple now. For example, we say, do you like this? Do you like this? Does he like this? Did he like this? Asking questions. How this did comes in, etc., as I told you, already explained. For example, simple present and simple past, you require the help of do, does, did to ask questions. Without that, you cannot ask questions. For example, he received a letter. Now, received here a letter, you cannot say. You have to insert do here. Do. Then, do receive. Ed will come here. Then that will become did and receive. So, and afterwards, you have to change the position. Did he? Did he receive the letter? We receive rebukes. Do you receive rebukes? He receives rebukes. Does he receive rebukes? That is for asking questions. And the second use of this as an auxiliary is negative. Negative. You have got this thing. He eats too much. Negative will be he does not eat too much. Yes. For negation, they eat too much. They do not eat too much. Short form of question is don't. They ate too much. They didn't eat too much. I told you in my tense classes on English tenses, you can just go through the simple present and simple past, then very clearly explain. That's why I don't want to waste time on this. You can go through that. All right. It's there on the channel, YouTube channel. And the third use is emphasizing. Emphasize. Stressing, you know. Yes, I do say. I say is enough, but I do say you should do it. I do command you should do it. I do command. He did say that. As he did say that. That is your emphasizing. He did it. I saw with my own eyes. Emphasizing. He did commit that mistake. That is emphasizing. He did commit that mistake. You can say he committed, but when you say like this, it is emphasized. Emphasizing. Understand? I think now it's clear to you. So you can see do, different forms, do, does, did, done, doing. Doing is present participle and done is past participle. Now this is used, can be used as a main verb with meaning perform and act. And as an auxiliary is used. It's very, very important for simple present and simple past to make questions negative. Then it's also used for emphasizing something. I did see him killing. Yes, I did pray yesterday. I did pray yesterday. Right? Or you can say, they did shout slogans. They did shout slogans. So that is emphasizing. I think it's simple. Tomorrow we will do an exercise based on this. Be, have, and do. So these are primary auxiliaries which they can function as main verbs as well as auxiliaries. Hope that is clear. Bye. Have a nice time. But before you go, break the chain. Be brave and break the chain. Break the chain here and now for us to come together again. Take care of your health. Bye.